Meaning of earmuffs.
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 Earmuffs. Earmuffs refers to a type of headgear worn to protect the ears from cold weather or noise. They typically consist of two ear pads connected by a band that fits over the head. The ear pads are often made of a soft material like fur or wool and may be adjustable to fit different head sizes. Earmuffs can be used for a variety of purposes, including skiing, snowboarding, hunting, or working in loud environments such as construction sites or factories. They are simple and effective in their design, providing warmth and protection for the ears.